Hi, I'm Allie Hoy and I'm a senior.
And I'm Kynlee Stearns and I'm also a senior.
Coming into college, a big part is you have to find a roommate, and that can be really nerve-wracking, especially if it's a random person that you've never met before.
So how we met and became roommates, Allie reached out to me because she found out we were going to be on the basketball team together. So she DM'd me on Instagram, was like, hey, do you have a roommate? And I was like, nope. And then that's how we became roommates.
Then once we moved in together to get to know each other more, we talked online before we moved in, and then we attended like the freshman orientation events together, and through that started to get to know each other more and more.
And now we've been together for all 4 years.
So if you're nervous about having a random roommate, just keep an open mind. If you think about it, both of you are coming in, leaving home, you're going to be going through the same experiences. I'm glad I took a chance on someone random, and now we've been together 4 years and are super close. So I definitely recommend.